Hi everyone, this is Anushka and welcome back. I am posting a vlog after so long on my channel because I stopped creating vlogs for a reason because I was not getting any good views, and plus it takes a whole lot of energy to edit. But this time I am going to shoot this and post this because I know that my friends and my family love to watch my videos, and I don't know about the views, but at least I'm going to post it for them. So I have been very inactive lately because I have some big girl duties. I'm doing an internship, I am doing my studies, and I have a lot to do. So it gets very difficult for me to make time for creating content. But as I was going on this trip to Gujarat, like we always do every year, I am going to this Hanuman Mandir. That is kind of a ritual for our family now because it is a very divine place, honestly. And I'll be recording everything that we did in this trip. So, this video and this trip basically will have two parts, okay? So, this is going to be the part one, and I'll be posting the part two very soon. I mean, I just want to see how much love this vlog gets. So, I have a little energy to at least post the part two because it's kind of draining that you post and you make so much and you don't get any views. I mean, obviously, you have to be consistent for that, which I have not been, but I'm going to try that. So, I hope you guys like this video as well, and please make sure that you at least write a little review so I can know if I'm doing the best, if I'm not doing the best. And yeah, I think let's go. हम लोग घर से आई थिंक 12:30 या 12 बजे तक निकले थे, एंड देन हम लोग कॉफ़ी के लिए थोड़ा रुक गए. उसके बाद वी विल ट्राई टू कवर डिस्टेंस बिकॉज रात को इट गेट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्टेंस बिकॉज इट्स काइंड ऑफ रिस्की like moving ahead at night. So yeah, we try to cover the most of the distance during the daytime so that we can rest at least at night. The sunset was so beautiful and I was just so grateful for this. And I'm also trying to talk both in Hindi and English because most of the people they complain ki I just keep talking in English only. But yeah, okay, so this is around 9, I think. Yeah, we have stopped here to have a dinner. We stopped by to this beautiful place. I really love the whole ambience thing and the red furniture and everything. It was just making me feel like wow. I mean, I'm liking the color red lately a lot, and you'll see that ahead in my videos. And yes, we were very tired. As you can see, my dad was actually very tired because he was driving the whole time. I really don't know what to order. Like, whenever I'm at restaurants or anywhere, I just feel like so confused. I don't know what to order. So I ordered fried rice and I ate like a little bit of that. And then later we had this Amchi ice cream. I was so excited to try this because I've been seeing this on Instagram and YouTube like from a whole year now, and it was just like wow, I want to try it. And it was really yummy. Like, it was literally so yummy. And yes, I think we were about to reach Saranpur, which is in Gujarat again. And yes, this is the whole mandir. This is the entrance of the mandir. So this is basically a stay house there. It is like so luxurious looking, and I literally love the I don't have words. Like, I mean, can I even justify it? You can see it's so beautiful. They have created it so nicely for people and for travelers, and it's such a nice thing क्योंकि लोग बहुत दूर से ट्रैवल करते हैं, and it gets very difficult कि उन्हें hotels मिले बाजू में रहने के लिए. But this whole hotel was like next to the mandir, एंड इट वॉज सो वेल मेंटेन्ड एंड सो वेल नाइस. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. एंड वी वर हेडेड टू आवर रूम. एंड यस, उसके बाद हम लोग मतलब थक गए थे. फिर हमने थोड़ा नीचे राउंड मारा एंड देन उसके बाद वी स्लेप्ट after this. And the next morning we got ready around 8:30, and then yes, we did the darshan very nicely and it was such a beautiful place. मतलब बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन किया है लोग ने मंदिर, बिकॉज मंदिर अगर आप देखोगे इट्स नॉट यूजुअली दिस वेल मेंटेन्ड, बट दिस वन वॉज. एंड इट लिटरली इज सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड लाइक clean. You will not find a place where you'll be like, oh ye to ganda hai. Nahi, everything was so nice. And this was the canteen of the hotel we were staying at, and I had dosa. Like, yeah, I think every one of us like had dosa, and I had some coffee. And yes, हम सब ने अच्छे से खाना खा लिया. एंड उसके बाद हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी के लिए. हम लोग ने ये पूरी ट्रिप एक हफ़्ते पहले से प्लान करके रखी थी कि मतलब हम लोग मंदिर से आएंगे एंड देन आफ्टर लाइक वो हेडेड टू मुंबई, तो वो रास्ते में स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी भी पड़ता है. सो माई डैड बुक द होल रिसोर्ट थिंग. यू विल सी दैट. आई वॉज इन द कार एंड मुझे ये लहंगे का दिखा दुकान एंड आई वॉज लाइक आई वॉन्ट टू स्टॉप हियर एंड आई गॉट अ लहंगा. And also I think I'll be ending this vlog here because we have a part 2 as well, and you will not be disappointed in the next part if you're disappointed now. And make sure you guys like this video, and yes, stay tuned for more.